Enoylity technology.
What's going on, everybody? Milind over here, and this is the upcoming iPhone 12 box. Here is an iPhone. Inside this, I am opening this thing up. The quick start guide, our iPhone itself, okay, and nothing else inside the box. I'm showing this thing because this is the future. It's totally a weird thing. I don't know why, but it's been coming from trusted sources, and it's in the very rumor right now that Apple is probably not going to add any kind of charger, neither the earbuds inside their box. We're just gonna get our iPhone inside this thing, and there will be nothing else except the quick start guide. Now this one way gets a positive thing, considering the Apple iPhone's price point. It may get a little bit less expensive considering the $1,000 mark, but considering the e-waste point of view, it's also sounds to be a good idea, because especially saving the e-waste, saving the environment, also getting the iPhone price to a little bit at a lower level. Another big leak has been coming this week, guys, especially from the Samsung for their upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Yes, Samsung as usual. Someone from the Samsung on Samsung Russian website actually leaked or posted the rendered images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20. These are the images which has been actually leaked out, and this thing totally matches up with the renders which we have seen in the past, which were coming from the trusted sources, even in our concept trailers as well. Now basically, guys, as we are able to see, it really looks cool. This color, Samsung is gonna call it as the Mystic Bronze. It's a copper and gold kind of a mix. Looks cool. It's pretty amazing, and basically this is the upcoming Galaxy Note 20. Talking about the same thing, we also got a hands-on leak of the same Galaxy Note 20, as you are able to see in this images. Here is the Note 20 hands-on. These leaks are coming from Jimmy's Pro, and basically he actually tested out the Galaxy Note 20. The design is more square in shape. The bezels are also narrower, as well as the punch hole of the camera seems to be a little bit of smaller as compared to that of the Note 10 Plus, as well as the Note 20 Ultra seems to be a little bit of extra curve, which totally looks really amazing. Apart from this, at last, the most awaited, the Galaxy Note 20 release date has been scheduled for the August 5th, 2020 is the Unpacked event of the Samsung for the Galaxy Note 20, and it's really going to be a cool event. I think probably it's going to happen online, considering the current fact and the situation, and we are going to see this amazing Galaxy Note 20 Ultra to get unveiled in this event. So that are the latest update regarding the iPhone 12. Regarding the Galaxy Note 20. Hope you found this as exciting. Thumbs up the like button. If so, let us know what do you think about the Mystic Bronze color of the Galaxy Note 20. Is it cool? What do you think? Comment it down below. And once again, this is Milind from Enoylity Technology signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one with the iPhone 12 trailer coming this week. Stay tuned for it. For now, peace out.